Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that could elevate your cooking game, the Gourmia Indoor Grill and Panini Maker. We found this gem online and have added the link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. So, what exactly is the Gourmia Indoor Grill and Panini Maker? This versatile appliance is designed to help you grill, press, and toast a variety of foods, all from the comfort of your kitchen. With 1,200 watts of cooking power, it can handle everything from delicious paninis and sandwiches to succulent chicken, steak, and even grilled vegetables. One of the standout features of this grill is its ceramic-coated nonstick plates. Not only do they provide even heating for perfectly cooked meals, but they also ensure that food releases easily, making cleanup a breeze. The slanted design is particularly beneficial, as it drains away excess fat, promoting healthier cooking without sacrificing flavor. And when you're done cooking, the removable drip tray catches all the grease and can be tossed right into the dishwasher. Talk about hassle-free cleanup. Now, let's talk about the size. The Gourmia grill boasts a compact countertop design measuring just 12 inches deep, 10 inches wide, and 4.5 inches high. This makes it an ideal choice for small kitchens, apartments, or even dorm rooms where space is at a premium. Plus, it has an upright stand storage feature, allowing you to tuck it away conveniently when not in use. This grill is perfect for a wide range of users. Whether you're a busy professional looking to whip up quick meals, a student who needs efficient cooking solutions, or simply someone who enjoys hosting friends for casual gatherings, the Gourmia Indoor Grill caters to all. Imagine making a delicious grilled cheese for lunch or grilling steak for dinner, all in a matter of minutes. Practical use cases are endless. You can create mouth-watering paninis with various fillings, grill veggies to accompany your main dish, or even toast up some breakfast sandwiches. The quick preheat feature and ready indicator lights take the guesswork out of cooking, ensuring that you achieve perfect results every time. In summary, the Gourmia Indoor Grill and Panini Maker is a versatile, compact, and user-friendly appliance that can truly transform your cooking experience. With its healthy cooking capabilities and easy cleanup, it's a smart addition to any kitchen. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to